Netanyahu, you can't hide. From the river to the sea. From the river to the sea. Palestine will be free. Palestine will be free. Vietnam.
There's a genocide taking place. It's the Palestinian Holocaust. We are out here today to show our support and our solidarity for all the people in Palestine and in Gaza.
Coming here today, we mothers feel it the most. All the children in the world are our children, and we feel the pain, we feel the suffering, we feel what they feel in their hearts. And I can't even begin to imagine the strength they have to move on and relocate and just go to other places.
Coming from the apartheid era, we've stood for apartheid, we've marched against apartheid in South Africa, and there's no reason why we will not stand up for apartheid again. This is genocide. The whole world has spoken. 90%, even more, may have said that, if you look at the latest stats, it's probably gone up from 90 to about 95% of the world standing up for Palestine.
Gaza, Gaza, don't you cry! Gaza, Gaza, don't you cry! Palestine will never die! Palestine will never die! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Palestine will be free! Palestine will be free! Free, free, Palestine! Free, free, Palestine!
Negociaciones con Egipto para firmar un acuerdo que impida la potencia llegada de personas migradas y refugiadas del año, donde ya han muerto más de 28.000 personas desde el 2014, mientras intentaban llegar a...